Want to get back into your existing Musical.ly account? You've come to the right place. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to log in to your Musical.ly account. At the end of the video, I'll also be giving you information on what you can do if you're having issues logging in. Now let's get started. To log into Musical.ly, launch the Musical.ly app. Then tap Login. Now you'll need to enter your username or email address and your password. Then tap Login. If you signed up through Facebook or Instagram, or have linked your Twitter account, you can also sign into Musical.ly by tapping the appropriate social media icon below. You cannot log into Musical.ly through a social media account if you hadn't linked it to your account before logging out. Tap Done at the top, and you're ready to go. You can pick back up using your Musical.ly account. If you're having trouble logging in, here are a few tips that might help. First, make sure you haven't made any mistakes in your username or password. Spelling mistakes or missing characters will result in you not being able to log in. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping Get Help Signing In. Click the card on your screen to see our tutorial video on how to reset or change your Musical.ly password. Finally, make sure you're not trying to sign in using a method that is not applicable to your account. For example, you cannot sign into Musical.ly using Instagram unless you signed up for your account through Instagram or linked your Instagram account to your Musical.ly profile after signing up. This goes for logging in through Facebook and Twitter as well. That's everything you need to know about logging into your existing Musical.ly account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.